Hi lads, a new war started. We can do nothing against this. We can save life, but we can save laptops and components. Today we have HP Pavilion dv6 for disassembly, but this time I don't know nothing about the laptop. It's first time when I look on him. So let's see what's the story with this laptop. I need HP plug. I connect to power source to see if we don't have a short or something. 19 volts. There's no any short. Power on. Sounds great. The fan is spinning. We have a LED power on, but caps look blink. Alright, let's check first with the memory. No battery, so this laptop don't have a battery. That's not a problem. Only new laptops, some new laptops didn't start if don't have a battery. And oh, we don't have a memory. Okay, let's fit first 4 GB PC3. Plug in. Press the power button. It's coming on. But caps look still blinking. One, two, three, four. So it's continually blinking. Alright. It look like this laptop have a problems. We tried to fix without too many tools first. Exactly, I put them in your position now. So first, let's change the memory DIMM in other slot, in second slot. Strange. Okay. 4 GB. It's not too much for this laptop, so I don't need to find the 2 GB memory. Come on. It's on. Caps look, it's on. But no reaction and no picture on the screen. So this time is different. AMD CPU. Alright. disconnect, and I try to fit PC3L memory. Maybe it's working with PC3L. Let's have a look at the... This look well. This is PC3L 4 GB. Okay. I try with first slot. This look like a memory issue. I don't want to check the error code. Just want to try exactly like you're supposed to do at home. It's coming on, and it's coming on. So this laptop need PC3L memory. But for sure, I check again, but different DIMM. No, first I want to check the second slot if it's working. It's coming on, and it's coming on. So yeah, it's a big difference. But let's try with PC3L, not low voltage memory, but different, not that dim. I don't know this one. 2 seconds last to find one. Four GB PC3L. No, I need the normal one. 2 GB PC3. Perfect. Let's try with this. Always try with simple things first. Power on, and it's coming on. So my DIMM, maybe it's faulty. I don't think so. I never keep faulty DIMMs. Maybe. I tested on the laptop. So I put some more over here for testing. So this laptop is working with any kind of model. I try more. Normal memory, but 4 GB. To see what's happened. 4 GB PC3, 1 GB no, 1 GB no. 1 GB. PC3L no. PC3L, I already know it's working with PC3L. I need 4 GB PC3. 3L. Okay. I was too lazy. Because I know I have here. They are tested, so they are, I'm sure about this, they are good. PC3. Okay. Let's see what's happened. First slot. And for the last time, Power on. It's coming on. And it's not working. And this time I'm pretty sure my DIMM is good. So the laptop is working with 4 GB PC3L and 2 GB PC3. Interesting. Alright. It is what it is. It's good for you to know. This DIMM is 100% tested. Come on. I have a sticker here and this DIMM was for HP. Replaced with HP spare. Supposed to work. Alright. Now I just fit on hard drive Windows 10 64 bits on legacy mode just to start Windows to check everything. 4 GB PC3. I hope you can see, yeah. Good. Oh, my hard drive. Plug in. Power on. Let's see, we need some settings on BIOS, or it's coming on straight away. It's coming on straight away. Yeah, you can see. I stopped the video till it's doing the settings and I come back when everything is done. I cheat a little bit because I already checked DVD. I checked the sound and internet connection. I'm not sure. I check, yeah. I have an internet connection, so Wi-Fi is working. Touchpad working. I check all the USBs working. All I need is the keyboard. Every key. There's not any other method to check the keyboard. Just pressing tab, caps lock. Yeah. Perfect. It's working perfect. Most used key are the arrows, but they are working well. The keyboard look like a brand new. A little bit dust, but not too much. Everything is fine. Only the battery missing. So this laptop is ready for disassembly. Yep. 2 seconds, just let me think. Something else. No, I don't think so. No, that's it. Keyboard, DVD, sound, Wi-Fi, USB, ports, all done. Let me shut shut down, and we start disassembly. Yeah, straight away. First is my hard drive, SSD. You can unplug the hard drive connector, and let's start with the optical drive or DVD, whatever you want to say. If it's not coming on easy, you can push from this way, like that. Alright, I'm looking for keyboard. There is a sign with the keyboard here close to Wi-Fi. Let's find another sign. One is here on the battery bay. And another one on the battery bay here on the right side, if it's in this position. Other sign, this one here close to memory bay. I think that's enough. Was already too many. Okay, for a keyboard. Turn. And now let's try to push the keyboard from... No, for this model is not working. To push the keyboard from the DVD bay. So we need a plastic thingy and try to find the clips. More screws? Maybe yes. How many screws have this? Oh yes, there is another one, 3 on the battery bay. This one is on the left side. Yeah. More? Oh, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws for keyboard. Many other keyboards don't have that all. And this one have a 5. Alright, let's try again. Yeah, I lift from DVD bay and straight away it is coming out. Just gentle, turn upside down, disconnect, and the battery is safe. Oh, sorry, keyboard. Alright, we have any screws here? No. No screws. All we need is to disconnect the cables and ribbon cable, whatever we have. This is for power button, I guess. This is for touchpad. That's it. We don't need to disconnect the screen for a moment. Turn the laptop upside down and let's unscrew the button base. Like usual, every corner. 1, 2 for your checking. 3 and 4. No more screws on the battery bay. Supposed to be another one here close to DVD bay, but mine is missing. 4, 5, 6 here on the other side. 6, 7, and 8 here close to the DVD connector. 8, 9 close to the battery, BIOS battery. 9 screws without that screws for keyboard. Was 4 or 5, I forgot. Alright, double check. More screws? No more screws. Oh yeah, I have another one here. 10 altogether. Alright. No. 11. Another one close to the battery, but in other side. More screws? No. That's it. Let's try to open this guy. Lift up from DVD bay. Gentle. Have a clips. We can use this kind of tool or plastic tool. It's better plastic. And the palm rest with touchpad, it's out. And of course with the power button. From somebody who already see the video with Sony Vaio, I made a joke about the guys from Unpost Ireland. They reject to send power button in UK from Ireland to UK because they say it's a dangerous item. No, prohibit item. Sorry, but prohibit, in my opinion, is the same. Is similar with dangerous for, because what's the other reason to prohibit an item? Just because it's dangerous. So this power button for Unpost guys is considered dangerous. Maybe this power button starts a war in Iran. Maybe. You are guilty. Alright. Oh, nice motherboard. And classic. Very classic. Disconnect the screen. What is this plastic thingy? This looks like a plastic pad for a screen cable. I think this motherboard was never, nobody worked on this motherboard, never ever, was never open. It looked like, And the laptop is look very good inside, very not too much use, no dust. Here there is a few cracks, actually marks, but inside this look like a brand new. Alright, disconnect the USB extension board. Something else, we have another USB extension board here, and it's connecting here. Speakers, careful with this connector, nice and easy. I think we can take the motherboard out. Let's find the screws. Not too many screws, only the fan cooler. Yeah, is this plastic pad for screen, and have a screw. I take off. Actually, maybe. Alright, let's see now. Something still holds this motherboard. Wi-Fi card. No. Some cable. Alright. It's a DVD connector and the cable. Alright, disconnect from this side, from memory bay. Now, let's try again. Lift up. Oh yeah, DC jack is connected to motherboard. Still something here. No, that's it. And the motherboard is out. I put it away for a moment. I need all the extension boards. We start with this. Where is the screw? No. Just slide off. This guy have a very long ribbon cable. Very long. I don't think I see so long ribbon cable for extension board. Now, first I disconnect from here a ribbon cable. I take off the extension board, and now the ribbon cable. Much easy, and to don't lose, I connect back. Perfect. Speakers have a screws. Each one 2 screws. I check the speakers, yeah, I check. No, this one have only 1 screw. But why is not coming out? Because it's glue with the bottom base. Speakers out. Another extension board here. No screws, only 2 plastic clips. And it's coming out. DC power jack. It's fit well with the shield, so we need to unscrew the shield first. And one is going under the hinge. Alright, it's the moment to disconnect the screen from the hinge. Two screws on the right side. Another, only one on this side. And the screen is out. Now take off the shield and DC jack is coming out. I put this shield back. It's not this screw. I need a short one. Yeah, bottom base is done. Nothing left. Actually, yes. DVD connector. That one was for a hard drive. Bottom base is done. Back to the screen. No screws. Just clips. Nice and easy. If it's not coming left that side and start with other side. Around. HP is very easy to broke the bezel. So if it's not coming, don't insist in it. Go and try other side. Maybe still have a screws. There is look like some plastic thingy under the hinge. And yes, there is one screw here. Look, this one, this plastic thing, it need to be off. And under this you have a screw. Same story on the other side. This one don't want to come out easy. Just enough, no, yeah. No, 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 no. Alright, now we have access to the screws. Two screws. Good. Let's try again with the bezel. Still not coming out. We have this hinge cover, but I'm not sure. Oh, they are coming out. So just put the screwdriver or something on there and lift up. Now, again, let's try with the bezel. And the bezel is out with not any damage. And because I want to be a good guy, I put this cover back for the customers who want this bezel. Good. We have a nice screen here. Let me see if it's on the, yeah. So we need, this screen is coming with a hinge. Yeah. There is a different style, any model, any brand. So we need to take off the hinge. Only two screws, one here, another one here, and two here. And the screen is out. Unplug the camera. And now, oopsie, what do we have here? Oh, we have a logo, lighting logo, HP maybe. It looks like. Disconnect that wire and the screen is out. Backlit cover, almost good. I will sell this like a grade B, sorry, because I have a few scratch. Only left is the hinge. And one side is out. Second side is out. This time I made a short break and I come back and I show you how to check the last time screen and the motherboard. Alright, I'm back. Now all I need is to clean a little bit. I use a glass cleaner. It's perfect for screens, not too much. This screen is in very good condition. Of course, a little bit dirty, but no marks, no dead pixels, no nothing. We have a marks here. I just kind of glue. A glass cleaner is very good for any screen. You can use on TV as well. Many people are afraid to use it, but use it. Nothing can happen. Perfect. Alright, screen is ready. Now the motherboard. I replaced the I replaced the thermal paste. And maybe the pad, I don't know if there is a pad inside. And I checked the battery, BIOS battery. I will connect to the screen for the last test and ready to go. Where is the fan connector? Here. Alright. This is look like a factory thermal paste. All right. Was not so old. This laptop was not used too much. Two seconds to check something. So this one have a pad. I will check the pad if it's alright or I need to replace it. Shiny. The pad is look well. I don't need to replace. And it's genuine, so better than what I have. Thermal paste here and here. Fresh. Not too much dust, so I don't need to clean. And look on the light to see under the radiator, the heatsink, and it's no dust. But if you want to clean, there is a few small screws around. Take the screws out and you can clean between fan cooler and the heatsink. No, I don't have dust. It looks like a new. First I connect the fan cooler. No, I can do without. Good. Fan cooler connector. Not too much space here. Done. Done. Let's check the BIOS battery. Voltage 2.8, not bad. 2.8. There's no reason to replace it. Wi-Fi card out. Motherboard is ready. Now we need the power jack. Where is the power jack? Somewhere. It's here. We connect the power jack. Memory are on. What else? What else? I need a USB keyboard. Not mouse, keyboard. Keyboard is here. Right. And the screen. Now I need to be careful to not put the fingerprint on shiny screen. Connect the screen before you connect any power source like a battery or oh boy. Oh yeah, power button, the most dangerous thing in the world. Power button. We can start without power button, but it's much better with power button to show to that guys from post office what is used for. Ready. Power on. And the laptop is coming on. but no picture. No picture. Why? Why we don't have a picture? Disconnect from power source and check the memory DIMM if it's well fit on the socket. Connect again, power on, and we have a picture. Yeah, I go in BIOS and after that I'll show you. So reset, if I remember, escape, not diagnostic, F2, what's wrong? What's going on? F2. System information. F1. It's okay this one, but okay, I'll just show you. It's no. 2 seconds, I boot again. F12. Start to forget that. Which one is BIOS? Ah, it's F10. F10. Guys, and we have a picture. Job done. If you need any parts from this disassembly or other, you have a link with my eBay account in the description. I hope this is helpful for you. See you next time. Bye.